Now friend, let us today find out the square root of those numbers which are not perfect square. So let us consider number root 2. We have to find out the square root of number 2, that is by division method. Only division method is applicable in such type of the cases. So whenever you have to find out the square root of such type of a number, always put decimal here, and after the decimal make the pair by putting 0 zeros, and also the pair to this side, left hand side. Now try to do it. You know 1 square, that is equal to 1, 2 square, that is equal to 4, 3 square, that is equal to 9. So 1 square, that is equal to 1. So take 1 here and 1 here. 1 1 ja 1. So 1, subtract this 1, you will get 1. Now add this 1 here. 1 plus 1, you get 2. Now take decimal number here and take this pair downside. Now 2 here and then 2 4 ja 8. So 4 here and also 4 here. 4 multiply 4 with this 24, you will get 96. Subtract this one, you will get, that is equal to 4. Now take another pair there of 0, that become 400. Add this 4 here, then it become 28. Now 2 2s are 4. It become more than 400. So divide it by 1. 1 here, 1 here. Then that is 281. So subtract this, you will get 911. Now add this 1 here. This is the process. You have to be add 1 plus 1, 2, 8 and 2, 282. And then this 2 bit, then take another pair there of 0, this one. So that is why now 4, and put 4 here, you will get 6, 4 4 is 16, then 9, then 2, then 1, then 1, and that is 406. This process remain continuous, but now you find out it up to 3 places of decimal, that is 1.414. You can round off it to 2 places because the third place is 4, so the second place remains the same, that is 1.41. So the square root of 2 is 1.41 up to 2 places of decimal. So the process is just make the pair by just putting the decimal here 0 0, and then process this follows. You can find out any numbers whose square is not a perfect square by the division method.